We had a customer bring in an '07 Softail with a no start issue, so we're going to go ahead and start looking the bike over and figure out what's going on. Already when I turn the key on, you can hear the fuel tank spraying fuel. So it sounds like there's maybe a hole in the line or a regulator or something going on. The bike will turn over, it just won't start, so let's take it apart and find out what's going on. There. Good. That's it. Good. Right there. Good, broken. Good. Good. I wonder how bad this tank is. A little rough. Let's check all that out. So looking at everything, the fuel pressure regulator is cracked, the housing. They make a metal one that makes it better than this. And then we'll give a new regulator. The fuel filter has came off. Fuel filter, but then the screen on the pump has came off. So you'll need a new pump. We'll clean the tank because there's some debris in there and some old gas. Very surprised that all this is good. Usually all that's corroded. But outside of that, we'll give them all new line from the tank to the intake manifold. Hopefully the injectors are still good. not clogged up with anything. And that should get them back on the road and running.